You won't believe what doctors are now recommending to people over 70. And it's not another pill. In fact, it's something you can do alone behind closed doors, and it might just be the key to living longer and feeling younger. Meet Harold, 74. Widowed, retired, and like many seniors, a bit lonely. After a routine checkup, his doctor asked a surprising question. "Are you still pleasuring yourself?" Harold laughed. But the doctor was serious, and what he said next changed Harold's life completely. Why? Because regular masturbation after 70 isn't just normal. It's healthy. It helps regulate hormones, lower stress, and even boosts immune function. Studies show that seniors who masturbate 2 to 4 times per week report better sleep, improved mood, and stronger heart health. Yes, your heart benefits from solo love. Think of it like exercise, gentle, enjoyable, and totally within your control. Masturbation increases blood flow, keeps pelvic muscles active, and maintains sexual function. And for women, it can reduce vaginal dryness and discomfort. It's like sending your body a message. I'm still alive. I'm still here. Now, let's bust a myth. No, it doesn't drain your energy or harm your brain. Quite the opposite. Seniors who masturbate regularly often report sharper memory and a stronger sense of identity. In one study, people over 70 who kept up a self-pleasure routine had 25% lower risk of depression. That's not just good, that's powerful. But how often is too often? The sweet spot, according to gerontologists, is personal. Some thrive on once a week, others feel best at 3 to 4 times. It's not about frequency, it's about connection with your body. As long as it doesn't interfere with daily life or sleep, it's a green light. Harold? He started gently once a week. Within a month, he felt brighter, lighter, and more connected to himself than he had in years. "I stopped treating pleasure like a thing of the past," he said. "Turns out, it was my future." His energy improved. His doctor noticed. Even his appetite came back. So here's the takeaway. After 70, don't shut the door on your sexuality. Open it gently. Listen to your body. Start slow. Because the truth is, pleasure doesn't retire when you do. It just gets wiser. And if something this simple can give you more years, or better ones, why not give it a try tonight?